In this short video tutorial, we will be learning how we can create Google Forms by just following the few simple steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing is to open Google Drive, and let me just open a browser first, and we need to visit the google.com or Google Drive. So let me just quickly visit first the google.com homepage. And once you're already in the Google homepage, all you need to do is just to sign in your account. Please make sure that you have already signed in your Google account. And if you have, then please click on this icon here and then select the Google Forms option. So this is the applications from Google. Now, if you click on this form option, you will be brought to the Google Forms window. So here we can create a new form, and all we need to do is just to click on this blank form or new button. Now in here, we will be naming first our form. So the form will open up in a blank design, and we can name it by clicking on this untitled form option here, and you can now add the name. So let's just wait for the loading to be done. So here we can add the uh, name or the title of the form by clicking on this untitled form word here, and we need to type here event, or you can also have student survey. Once you have already added the title of the form, you can now add the description by clicking here the form description option. And by the way, you can also change the font style of the title here by clicking this items or the options just below it. And once you're done doing this one, you can now proceed with giving the questions or typing the questions. And you can just type the question by clicking on this entitled question option here, and you can type your name, and you can select the answer type by clicking this drop down button and then select short answer, and you can have this short answer text option here. And if you want for this question to be required so that the respondents will not skip this question, then you can just turn on this required button here. And if you want to add more questions, simply click on this plus icon, and then you will now be getting another question form. So the next thing you need to do is to add here a question, for example, gender. And then if you want to add some options, just click on this option one here or another option. So we can have male, and then for this one, we can have female. So it automatically added female option. Now, if you want also to make this question be required so that respondents will not skip this, then just click on this required button and then proceed with this. If you want to import questions also, you can click on this import questions option, and you can also add title and description. And if you want to section the form, all you need to do is just to click on this add section icon, and you can have the first section and the second section here. So you can also change the theme by clicking on this icon here to customize the theme, and you will be seeing this uh, theme window here in this right side, and you can change here the header, the question, or the theme for the header, the theme or the font style for the question and the text. You can also add a header image, and then you can also have the color, so, and the background. So once you're done with your Google form or with the question and everything here in the Google form, you can click or copy the responder link or the link here by clicking on this icon, and then send it to the responder that you want to answer the survey. And you can also click on this publish button here to save the Google form and then send it to the uh, responder or the person or individual that you want to answer the form. So after this one, you can track the responses by clicking this responses tab, and you can also click a link on this three dot icon here for clicking more or uh, setting more options with the responses. You can also get email notifications for new responses, and you can also select destination for responses. So if you're done doing this one, then you have now to click on the settings option. And if you want to make this as a quiz, then you can click on this toggle key here to turn this on, and you can assign points, values, set answers, and automatically provide feedback with each of the question. And you can also have this responses option, presentation. So that's it. That's how you can easily create a new Google form for your or from your uh, Google form website here in this. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.